It's recording.
Yeah, we are recording. We are at Mountain Goat Lodge.
Mountain Goat Lodge.
We can't talk about it.
Look right here.
There is a cat that's right here.
She's really cute. She's trying to bite me.
It wants to play.
Fine.
Not lying, I want to bite her too, but but
this is where we're staying.
This is where we're staying.
Bed and breakfast. There's a lot of people here.
Bed and breakfast. It's a cool place.
They have goats.
I do have goats that you can pet too as well. So
It's nighttime.
all right, we're here. We're going to bed. We'll see you
It's not even 9 o'clock.
on the other side. Yeah, I just. See you. All right, coming to you live here at a breakfast in bed place, like lodge, I guess you would say. Man, I hope that goes well in the background there. As you can see, the mountains up this way, just unbelievable. This is the view from the back porch of our place. There's a couple here that runs it, and there's quite a few rooms. I think there's probably about 6 to 8 rooms that you can rent here. And from the lodge, there is multiple things you can do. They have, if you stay here, you can kind of learn how they do the milking of the goats and cattle, and then also how they make cheese and yogurt, and it's all farm fresh. The wife here, and I forgot her name, but she made an amazing breakfast this morning. Picture right here. And let me just tell you, it was tasty. It was amazing. And here, even at the ranch, there's actually wildlife right here next to me. As you can tell, I got Mr. Turkey over here joining me in our video. What you think? This is a pretty cool place. I don't know if it's going to answer me or not, but you can see there's wild turkey right here next to us. Pretty wild. And then we got goats in the background out here too as well. There's even a llama that you can go pet too as well. So again, if you get a chance and you're in the Salida area, Monarch area, or Buena Vista area, this is a cool place to stay. And if you get the chance to do it, you got to do it. It's really a nice venue and something that you could do weddings, you could do anything here. I think they said they closed down in the month of November, but then they open back up, and then they're really busy during the summer months and stuff. So come check it out. We'll see you on the other side. Well, we're gonna go out here on the farm, go check it out. You can see we got chickens down here too as well. The turkey is still following me. Check this out, it's like over here. I think it kind of likes me. I don't know. I think it also thinks I have food, which I don't. And so, but we'll go out here and you can go see the animals. Oh, the llama's out. Cool. We'll go over here and check out the llama. He's over here in the pen. I tried to get close to him last time and he didn't seem to have favor with me, and so, but I'll get him here in the background. There he is. Check him out. You can also see the goats over there too as well. They milk the goats, and they usually, actually the goats like to play over here on this rock. You see them jumping up there on the rock and playing quite a bit, doing a lot of things. This place is so cool. It also has, I'll kind of hopefully get it up here where you can see, but they have a greenhouse here. If the chickens don't attack me. Last time I came out here, the chickens saw me and they came running. Like about 50 of them came after me. I think they thought I had food, but I didn't have anything. So, but you can see up here too, they have teepees that they do during the summertime. They also have retro RVs up there too as well, that you can stay at over the summertime. And then as you can see behind me, I mean, this is what you would wake up to And I know you can't see it in the camera, but the smells that are going on behind me and around me and all everywhere that you walk around here are just unbelievable. Like, they are so intoxicating. Like, this is such a cool place. There's chickens, you can see them there. But I'll take us up here to the front so we can kind of get the name of the place too as well in just a second. Lodge. It's right here by Salida, Colorado. You get a chance to be in this area, man. Stay here. It's really cool. The host, they're fantastic. They own the place. They actually live on the 3rd floor. It's actually a 3-level lodge. You can see it over here, right there. And they stay on the bottom floor, and then they have different rooms for people to stay in the 2nd and the 3rd floor. Again, it's a breakfast. They make breakfast every morning from 8 to 9. You can have whatever you want. No, I'm kidding. No, they have certain breakfast that you can have, but the orange juice was fantastic. Milk is homegrown, obviously. They make their own cheese here and everything. You can see it over here, Mountain Goat Lodge. It's a wonderful place to stay if you get a chance. Look at the trees. The aspens are still yellow. Barely. They're just barely holding on. They got a glow to them, golden glow. And then back in the background, that's your view every day that you get to come here. I mean, look at that. Those mountains in the background are gorgeous with snow on them. So, all right, we're gonna go try to get some camera footage of the river, Arkansas River, with the drone. This is what we're gonna try to do today. Right now I got it charging, so we gotta wait for it to charge up, and then we'll be on our way. I was hoping I'd get to film your backside because you were looking at me. You were looking at the wonderful scenery that is behind us.
Looking at my watch, really.
Oh, okay. But you can see them, the mountains way there behind us. Yeah. Is it pretty good?
Salted caramel latte.
Woo.
Yeah, really good. They have a really huge espresso machine here at the bed and breakfast.
Yes, bed and breakfast.
Staying at. We're not supposed to
remember what the name of it is?
Mountain Goat.
Yeah. You're getting there.
Lodge?
Yeah, there you go. Mountain Goat Lodge. That's good.
It's good because it's really early, so it's really not that early, but
I guess it's not really, but it's early enough.
We've not been awake long.
No, we have not been awake long. That's the only thing I would just say. I mean, really, the only thing is that just the room gets a little warm. I think it's the sheets. I think we both agreed that the sheets are kind of made to.
I mean, they're so soft. They're soft sheets.
Oh my
they're
gosh,
just ones that
the beds are amazing.
Which is probably great when it's winter.
Cold, right?
But it was just like you were sweating.
Yeah, we did sweat. But we're here at Mountain Goat Lodge. You can see this is the scenery that you come out to every morning. They are fantastic. You can also see the chickens and the livestock that's here behind us too as well. And then big old dog back there in the background. Pretty cool place. But
until just now. He's coming to see us.
Oh, he might be coming to see us. Maybe.
I'm gonna cry.
He takes his time. They don't move very fast. He's trying.
Thinking about it.
All right. Well, also wanted to take a second so we can turn around and show you
This is the back side of the lodge, so
the backside of the lodge.
it's beautiful.
I mean, that is just unbelievable. You
Come
can
on,
see
buddy.
that fireplace back there. There's river rock goes all the way up from the bottom all the way to the top. Oh, my wife's so excited the puppy's coming. I don't know that it's a puppy. It is a big old dog.
Yeah.
Hey. But if you get a chance, if you're in the Salida area, this is the place to stay for sure. It's really nice. It is outside the city, so you're not confined to the city. Oh, it's now going to pee right next to us. Maybe it just thought that's what it needed to do. I don't know.
It's just
that was
marking his
hilarious.
territory,
Just
doesn't it?
telling us that he's here, I guess. But it's a girl. She's telling us that she's here. But Mountain Goat Lodge, it's a cool place to stay. The caretakers here, they are fantastic people, and they do make you lattes and all kinds of different
Specialty
coffees and
They make farm fresh breakfast.
Yeah.
We're getting eggs Benedict.
yeah. And also she got some pumpkin bread.
Pumpkin bread and yogurt with all the toppings.
We're also getting some
and
croissants too as well.
That's
so
with our eggs.
yeah, with pretty much anything bread in it, my wife is happy. Yeah. But we're going to be heading back. This is probably going to be our last entry as we head back home. But this has been amazing. Yes, see the dog. You can see the dog. It's beautiful. Big old dog. But we appreciate you checking us out. This is a little bit of a different video than our normal motorcycle videos, but this is kind of our life, and so we're going to participate in that too as well, so you can kind of keep along with the journey. All right, we will see you on the other side. Appreciate you again watching our Mild Hog channel and being a part of the Mild Hogs of Glenpool.